Hey everyone, welcome back! Today, we're reviewing the Zeely app in 2025. Zeely is a mobile application designed to help small business owners create ads, manage marketing campaigns, and build simple websites all powered by AI. The idea is to make online marketing fast, easy, and accessible for anyone, especially those who aren't tech-savvy. The app lets you enter basic details about your product or service, then automatically creates ad creatives landing pages, and even launches ad campaigns through platforms like Meta. Some users find this extremely useful for saving time and getting professional-looking ads, without hiring a designer or marketer. However, the user experience has been mixed. On the positive side, users have reported that the app is intuitive and easy to use. Some say they got several leads for their business. Within a few days of launching ads through Zeely, they appreciate how quick it is to set up, and how AI handles most of the work for them. On the negative side, many users have raised serious concerns. Common complaints include being charged unexpectedly after the free trial ends, trouble canceling subscriptions, and difficulty getting in touch with customer support. Some users reported being billed over $100 without clear warning, and the refund process was slow or unresponsive. Others mentioned bugs in the ad creation process or confusion about how to use certain features. Overall, Zeely offers value for businesses looking to automate ad creation, but the billing issues and limited support make it a risky choice, unless you monitor your account closely. If you plan to try Zeely, consider using a prepaid card. Track your billing dates and cancel before the trial ends if you're unsure. While some users have had success, others felt scammed or misled. Always read the latest reviews and consider alternatives before making a decision. If you've tried Zeely, let us know how it went. Was it helpful or not worth the money? And if you found this review useful, share it with others who might be considering Zeely.